Number 1. 1995 Ford F250, price $7,499. It has 155,000 original miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the legendary 7.5L V8 OHV pushrod fuel-injected engine. The truck is rear-wheel drive and offers both strength and dependability. The engine runs excellently, smooth, quiet, and strong, while the automatic transmission shifts effortlessly. There are no check engine or warning lights present, further confirming its reliability. Comfort features include power windows and power door locks, along with a fully functional air conditioning and heating system. A brand new set of 4 tires has been installed, providing peace of mind for the next owner. The truck carries a clean title with no accident history, valid tags through July 2026, and even comes with a current smog certificate. While the body shows minor dings and dents and the paint has some clear coat peeling on the hood and roof. Number 2. 1988 Ford F150, price $8,000, with just 79,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in a custom brown exterior with a matching brown interior, the truck has been reupholstered inside and fitted with a full sound system, including an epicenter and subwoofers, for an upgraded driving experience. Recent maintenance includes new cables and spark plugs, a new fan clutch, a new water pump, fresh front shocks, and new front brakes, ensuring the truck runs reliably. It rides on 20-inch rims wrapped in wide Nitto tires, giving it a bold stance. While the rear has been slightly lowered by half an inch, the truck carries a clean title and, despite its age, continues to run very well. Like any classic from the era, it does have its imperfections. The bed paint is peeling, there are a few scratches, and the fuel tank switch is currently unresponsive. Number 3. 1973 GMC 2500, price $10,000. It has 61,000 miles on the odometer, though the seller notes it is uncertain if that mileage is original. Powered by its number-matching 350 Ci engine paired with a 4-speed automatic/overdrive 700R4 transmission, the truck runs, drives, and handles great. It's equipped with dual exhaust, power steering, power brakes, and the strength of a heavy-duty 3/4-ton setup with 8 lug wheels. Comfort features include cold air conditioning, a warm heater, and a simple aftermarket sound system with Bluetooth capability. The truck wears a white repaint completed at some point in its life, while the tan interior has been fully redone, giving it a clean and refreshed look. The bed features fuel doors on both sides, though only the passenger side tank is hooked up. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1971 Ford F100, price $7,500. It shows just 50,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a bright yellow exterior with a matching yellow interior, it carries the unmistakable style of early 70s Ford trucks. Power comes from a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it both smooth and easy to drive. The owner has invested significant care into the truck, replacing the upper half of the engine and installing a new Holley carburetor. Additional recent upgrades include new brakes, shocks, spark plug wires, distributor, radiator, thermostat, battery, and alternator. Thanks to this extensive work, the truck cranks easily and the engine runs strong. In fact, it proved its reliability when it was driven to Ohio and back less than 2 years ago without issue. Number 5. 1980 Ford F150, price $5,900. It has 175,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. Power comes from the dependable inline-6 engine, making it a strong classic pickup with plenty of life left. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including a brand new fuel pump, new starter, new carburetor, fresh spark plugs and wires, new shocks, and a new water pump. The transmission has been rebuilt, and new oil gaskets have been installed along with a fresh oil change, ensuring the truck runs clean with no leaks. Inside, the interior remains in good condition, showing the care it has received over the years. While the air conditioning is currently not working and will need a recharge, everything else is in solid order. Number 6. 1984 Ford F250, price $8,000, still wearing its original paint. The truck shows off its authentic vintage character while remaining impressively clean and solid all around. It has just 78,000 original miles, a testament to how lightly it has been used over the years. Inside, the cabin has been refreshed with a brand new interior that provides both comfort and a crisp, like new feel, power comes from the reliable 460 engine paired with an over-underdrive C6 transmission, giving this truck the strength and durability that Ford is famous for. Despite its rugged build, it doesn't sacrifice comfort. Cold air conditioning makes every drive enjoyable, whether cruising around town or taking on longer trips. Number 7. 1984 Ford F250, price $5,000. This truck shows 120,000 miles and is powered by a strong 7.5L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck wears a white exterior with a tan interior, giving it that classic work truck look. Despite its age, it still runs and drives well, showing only the kind of normal wear and tear expected from a vehicle of this era. It does need a new radiator, but mechanically it remains solid overall. The title is clean, and although the registration went out last month, the fees are already paid. Recently, it failed a smog test due to an exhaust pipe issue, but that problem has been repaired and the truck now only needs to be retested. Number 8. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, comes with a charcoal exterior paired with a gray interior. It has seen 406,000 miles on the chassis, but the 350 TBI motor was rebuilt just 80,000 miles ago, ensuring plenty of life left under the hood. Power is delivered through a freshly rebuilt NV4500 manual transmission, which was redone only 2,000 miles ago. The truck stands tall with a 6-inch lift riding on 33-inch tires, giving it a commanding presence on and off the road. Inside, a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo system has been installed for modern convenience, and a sturdy toolbox is included with the sale. While the truck offers strength and reliability, it does come with a few drawbacks. It carries a salvage title, the driver's side window motor is beginning to fail, and the air conditioning is currently not functional. Number 9. 1971 Ford F250, price $5,000. This two-wheel drive truck is powered by a Ford 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both of which were rebuilt not long ago to ensure smooth performance. The transmission, rebuilt about 7 months ago by Corridor Transmission, does have a minor leak, though it still shows full when checked, which likely indicates that the pan simply needs tightening. In addition to the engine and transmission work, the truck has been fitted with new drum brakes, providing strong and reliable stopping power. Although it does not have power steering, the F250 runs well, drives with ease, and stops as it should. With its clean title and recent updates, it remains a solid and classic workhorse ready to be enjoyed. Number 10. 1984 Ford F150, price $2,900. It shows 77,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in a bold red exterior with a matching burgundy interior. Powered by a 302 V8 engine, it has been fitted with a performance cam, headers, an MSD distributor, and an MSD box, giving it extra character and reliability. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission but also features a manual 3-speed with overdrive, which helps deliver both solid performance and impressive fuel efficiency for its age. While the body does show some rust, the truck itself is a strong runner and would make an excellent choice as a dependable work truck. Its combination of classic looks, mechanical upgrades, and proven durability make it a versatile option for anyone who appreciates old-school Ford pickups.